Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. For today's video, I'll show you how to copy your Instagram profile link. Well, the first thing that you need to do is to open your Instagram application, click your profile at the bottom, and then tap Edit Profile, and then copy your username, and then close the Instagram app, then go to browser or your Google Chrome, and then type instagram.com, then paste your username, then enter. Then after that, tap the search box to copy the link of your Instagram, and now you'll be able to share your Instagram profile or Instagram profile link to others. So that is how to copy your Instagram profile link. Please do like, comment, and subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you and be safe.